Today I'm going to be touring Toll Brother homes, few of the floor plans. So I want you to kind of get an insight on not how the model is going to be, right? Because when you go toward the model, they're going to be highly upgraded. I want you to kind of learn the basics of what a home of this floor plan will look like. So these floor plans you guys can build on several of the subdivision in Austin surroundings, wherever they're building Toll Brothers. Some of the examples are in Treviso. You can build this floor plan, or Crestline at Brushy Creek, which is one of the hottest places right now where people are buying homes because Cedar Park doesn't have that much new construction and they're already on a wait list. So if you guys like this floor plan, if you have any questions, I already have several clients that are already building in both of these subdivisions or anywhere in the Austin that can, that they provide this floor plan you guys can build. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, that was the floor plan by Toll Brothers. If you guys enjoyed it and like the flow of the way this floor plan looks, reach out to me, let me know. I can give you guys the details on where you can build this floor plan specifically and which subdivisions. I already have several clients that are building in different locations with these floor plans, so already have that relationship going with the sales rep. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. It's free, guys, free valuable information. But if you're new to my channel, let me know how I can help you or get you guys more details on some Austin real estate, anything that you might need. Comment below. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.